Hi, if I called you to talk solar, you'd hang up on me, and I completely understand. I'd probably do the same. Here's the thing though, you don't really understand how solar could potentially help you, just as you don't understand the current plan that you have with your energy provider, whether you're with Nevada Energy, APS, SRP, FPL, it doesn't really matter. You don't understand how that energy plan works for you today, and you don't understand what it's going to look like in the future. So you have bad information about solar, little information about your utility provider, yet you're making a decision or no decision. When you have no information or bad information, you generally make bad decisions. So here's what we do. We make it real easy to get information. Log on to energyupsolar.com. There's a lot of good content, and you can reach out to us. It's energyupsolar.com. We'll get you complimentary information. We'll help you better understand it. We don't pressure you with sales stuff. That's why I'm sending you a video and not calling you and harassing you. So energyupsolar.com, we make it real easy to get the right information so you can make great decisions. Energyupsolar.com. Log on today.